Hello and welcome to KIIT Buzz. This is Shomik, and on behalf of MSC KIIT, I introduce you to an exhilarating 24-hour event, Frontend with Benefits, where the participants must race against time to build a website on a template that will be provided by us. You will be getting hands-on experience while designing a website for an actual company. This time, you work solo on the project with no hassle of a group. Get your brilliant individual minds at work and show us what you are made of. A beginner friendly event that revolves around the world of front end development with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. As a prerequisite for the event, the participants must have a basic understanding of HTML and CSS. A resource document is also shared with all the participants that can help them to understand the basic of these skills. The event is a 24-hour long challenge where the participants will get a basic template with well-documented code, and in the 24 hours, the participants will have to code and show their creativity and change the templates into something of their original work. This is a hybrid mode event. In the offline mode, the team will be given an entire walkthrough of the event. So, what will be the benefits that one will get after joining this event? A great learning opportunity, good for CV building, exciting goodies, discount coupons, and use of your design as the official website for our sponsor companies. So let's have an overview of the entire event. The company's web team will be designing templates that will be based on our sponsors. For example, if a sponsor is a cafe, then the template's basic UI will be based on a cafe. Also, the template's code, the participants will also get pictures that they can use and some text relevant to the company's details. The template will also contain some resources from which the participants can research more on the sponsor on which the web page will be based. The community will also be providing a walkthrough video with which the participants can get a clear understanding as to how to proceed with the event. Excited already? Well then, what are you waiting for? Register now. We will add the link in the description below especially for you. The steps to register are really very simple. Just click on the link, fill in your personal details and submit. That's it. We will take care of the rest. Just a heads up, registrations end on 27th of March, so hurry up. Important points to be noted for the offline event. There will be fun quizzes, doubt clearing sessions, introduction to FWB, giveaways, and a lot more. Okay, so now we know what this FWB, rather front end with benefit, is. But you may have a question that how shall we start with the project, or will there be a topic given to us? How and where will we submit our project, and many more questions like that. So don't worry guys, I am here to answer all these questions. First and foremost, it's very important for all of you to know that we have an official GitHub organization for MSC KIIT, and there we will be having a folder named FWB or Frontend with Benefits. In there, you will have the basic templates of all the ideas of the websites you may work on. You may clone the one assigned to you or selected by you and start working. Now the question comes, will you be working on the same repo and thereby creating a pull request once you finish? The answer is no. I repeat, the answer is no. All the participants are required to create their own repo in their personal GitHub account and work on their projects thereafter. One very important note for all the participants that you may also use any front-end frameworks like React, Angular, Vue, etc. for this event. There is no such limitation on that. Next important question would be that where will the participants host or publish their websites? So, the participants after completion of the project will host their websites using GitHub Pages itself. And last but not the least, Where and how will the participants submit their work? So, the participants will be given a form wherein you will have to mention your personal details, and then you will have to provide the GitHub repository link of the project as well as the GitHub page link in their respective fields in that submission form. So that's it. MSC KIIT can't wait to see you at the event. So all the best to all of you guys, and thanks a lot for staying till the end.